Hi, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and in this video, we're going to go over some navigation that you'll need to know in order to access all the parts of this course, including homework, test dates, homework dates, what to study, what to read, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started here. Hopefully, you should already be in Moodle as part of your registration. So once you get to your course page, make sure you click on the MAT 110 course for the summer. Once you do that, you'll get a screen that looks like this. It'll give you a nice course description. It'll also give you my faculty information here, including my phone number, email address, office hours, and office. And then this part right here is extremely important. This will have lots of links and areas for you to get information that you need. So first of all, announcements. Anything that changes or anything that I need y'all to know, I'm going to put under announcements here. If you get an email saying that you have a new announcement, make sure you check that because that's going to contain very important information. And in fact, I'm going to send out this video through an announcement as well as the welcome video. So here's a copy of the course syllabus here. Make sure you read over that. Let me know if you have any questions about that. It'll have the dates and the requirements for the class. It'll have all that good stuff. And then here is a homework test schedule. So if you were to click on that right there, it says that they're basically assignments are given every week, about 3 to 5 homework assignments. There's going to be 8 total tests, one each week. I'll try to update that with some more information as we go along. And once I go back here, this is PowerPoint presentations. This is a PowerPoint that I've done on every section that we're going to go over. You can see here. So if you just want to pull up something to read, this is right there for you. And let's go ahead and go back here. And the next, computer's a little slow here. The next thing we have here is the MyMathLabs link. So you're going to need to make sure that you're registered with MyMathLab in order to do the homework and the tests and the SLO quiz. So you can click on that. That'll get you the link. If you haven't registered for MyMathLab, here's the instructions right here. So if you click on that, it'll tell you where to go. Make sure you use this course ID here, the Beckstrom 90627. That's the course number to get you registered in this course. And you can just kind of follow that. And I believe you can get a 10-day free trial if you're having problems getting the code or the book. And the MyMathLab also has a digital copy of the book, so it's real nice. All right, so kind of going down here, we have a social area. This is the student coffee house right here. This is mainly for students to talk about the class. If you have any homework questions, you want to talk to other students about it, you can go there. Here's the link for the enrollment quiz. Make sure you do that within the first 3 days, preferably on the first day, Monday, May 21st. You need to do this enrollment quiz before anything else is going to be accessible to you. All right, and going down here, this is the bulk of the information that you're going to need as far as the homeworks and tests. So you just click on one of these here, and it'll give you the due dates for the homework. So for example, this Monday, May 21st, it's going to open up. This is going to be the homeworks for chapters 1-1 to 1-5. That's 5 total. It opens up on Monday. It's going to close Sunday evening at 11:59 p.m. So make sure they're all completed by Sunday night. It's not a good idea to wait till the last minute. And there's no late assignments that are accepted. So make sure that you're doing those early in the week. So if you have any problems or something shuts down or you're having technical issues, you can get that resolved before the due date. And then the test is going to be the Monday after the homework is due. So, for example, all the Chapter 1 homeworks are due by Sunday, 5/27, and the Chapter 1 test will be open for a 24-hour period from basically midnight on Monday morning to midnight on Monday evening. There's no makeup exams, so make sure you get to that early. We'll talk a little bit more about that, but with the regular exams, you'll have 3 attempts, and we'll record the highest of those scores. With the final, you'll have 2 attempts, and we'll record the highest of those scores. All right, so now, with all those PowerPoints that you saw earlier, there's going to be instructional videos that I've set up for every one of the sections. So I'll go over the PowerPoint, give you a couple of pointers on how to solve these problems. So that's really helpful. Make sure that you're using that for each test week or for each chapter, which is each a week. I'll have a different one of these. So we'll go with all the due dates first, all the instructional videos. These are the assignments in Moodle. Make sure that you're reading the sections, doing some of the problems, watching the videos that are in MyMathLab for those sections. And make sure that you review for that chapter test. So I have one of each of these for each of the 8 weeks. And I also have one for the SLO assignment. That's the SLO quiz, which is going to be after your Chapter 7 test. And then the final exam, there'll be some information on that as well. All right, so this is what you need from Moodle. Let's go ahead and go to MyMathLab. And just a moment here. So this is what this looks like before you sign in. If you already have your registration information, you click here. If you need to register, you click where it says student here and you follow the directions. Remember, in Moodle, there will be the PDF guide that'll help you get signed up. So let's go ahead and log in here. So when you log in and you click on your class, and click on your class, still working. Let's try one more time here. There's something going on. All right, you should see something that looks like this. Your current assignments are going to list here. You can hit that to view all assignments. I haven't assigned them yet. The first ones will be assigned on Monday, May 21st. You can also click on homework here to see which homework assignments are available. And the tests on that Monday will also show up on your home page there. So you'll be able to click on it there. There's also a quizzes and tests link here. So you can access them directly using that for both the SLO quiz and for the final exam and the chapter tests. And that's pretty much it with that. So if you want to pull up the PDF in MyMathLab, you click on the chapter contents and you go to whatever chapter you're looking at. And let's say we wanted to read section 1.1. You click the e-text there. And it'll pull up a nice PDF of the section. It'll let you scroll through pages. So if you know what page you want to go to, you can just click up there, or you can do it manually like that if you're trying to read it. There'll be a table of contents down here. I usually just close that up so I can view the full screen here. And it's nice, vibrant colors. And that's that. So I think I've gone over everything that you need to go ahead and get started. Once again, if you're having any questions, you're having any difficulties, go to the faculty information here and either give me a call. You'll probably have to leave me a voicemail because I'm on a different campus this summer, or send me an email. The email is usually better. I'll get back to you sooner. And that's it. So thank you, and I hope you have a really great semester. And please don't hesitate to ask me questions as we go along. All right, thank you.